How to use Wave.Video. Wave.Video review and tutorial. In this video, we will be covering Wave.Video, how to create professional videos. The link will be given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now if you want to create your own account. Wave.Video is all-in-one platform that gives us a lot of different tools. It is a leading online video editor. We can also use Wave.Video to customize our live streams. You will be able to stream live or broadcast pre-recorded videos to multiple channels easily. We can also create thumbnails and Facebook covers with Wave.Video. It also has a secure and stable video hosting. We can also create video recordings with Wave.Video. Also gives us a built-in stock library that has high quality assets for our videos and images. Use cases. You can use it to create memes, listicles, travel vlogs, countdown videos, greeting cards, slideshows, blog promotion, and more. With blog promotion, we will be able to create high-quality promotional ads with Wave.Video. We can even create event promotional videos, Zoom video background available for you. If you are a gamer, you can go ahead and use Wave.Video. If you are a video editor, you will be able to edit videos professionally. Features and benefits. Now let me show you different tools that are available within Wave.Video. We have online video editor, trim a video option, crop a video, add text to video, merge video clips, resize a video, add watermarks to a video, online video maker, animated text generator, video overlays, graphics and GIFs, rotate a video, speed up a video, slow down a video. We will also be able to flip a video, zoom in videos, collage maker is available, GIF maker, online meme maker, remove background option is available. Wave.Video has all the different tools available for us, and it will allow us to create high quality videos. Pricing plan. Now let me show you if Wave is affordable. We have a monthly planning available for free, which will give us the basic video editor. Then we have a plan known as streamer, which is going to be $20 per month, creator $30 per month, and business for $60 per month. The features will be listed below. But if you switch to the annually pricing plan, then you will be saving up to 20%. When it comes to annual pricing, we have streamer available for $16, creator for just $24 per month, and business for just $48 per month. With these plans, we will be getting basic video editor, thumbnail maker, especially with this one right here, the creator plan. We have video editor, thumbnail maker, stock library available, image background removal, and much more. And with the business, we will be getting more features. How to use Wave.Video. After they sign up, this is your dashboard. We have my projects where I will be able to create a new project, upload a video, or create a new folder. And then we have a separate dashboard for streams and recording. We will be focusing on the editing part of Wave.Video today. The templates can be accessed here. And then we have resources. When you go to the create button, we have different types of options available. We have blank video, blank image, video recording, text, templates, stock asset, or blog post. Let's actually get started with a template. Comes to the templates, we have a lot of different templates available. Today I will be creating an ad, so I'm going to go to the new templates right here and click on see all. So here we have different types of videos that are popular nowadays. So let's go with this one right here. Once you select the template, we can also select if we want to go with square or a vertical type of video. This option is also available when you start from the scratch. Click on edit template. Once you select the template, it will take you to your Wave.Video editor. Inside our editor, we have different options available at this side of the screen. So these are the options that we use. So we have selected edit right here. This is the template that we went for. This is a video. Now you can upload a video yourself. For instance, you're creating a vlog, so you can just upload all of your videos and you can just combine all the footage and upload it right here. First of all, we have our timeline right here. So I'm going to click on show timeline. We have show and hide. So this is our timeline. It will show me the footage that I have, and we can add more than one footage, and we can even overlay. So we have trim option here. We have duplicate, delete. We have tracks right here. This is going to be the preview option that will allow me to play the video that we have here. The total duration of the project right now, zoom in or zoom out right here on the timeline. So for instance, if I hide the timeline for a second, we have this option right here. What is this? Whenever you will be selecting any of the options from here, it will open up, different styling and design right here. So we have colors and layouts, solid and gradient. Right now we have selected like the background. So this is our template video. I will customize it. First of all, let's change the color. So what I will do is I will select the color from here, and we have our color panel. I'm gonna go ahead and select a different color according to my brand, and it's going to be this color right now. The background has been changed, and you can see if we can even go for a gradient if I want. This is a solid color, and you can switch to the gradients. I'm gonna go with the gradients in checkout, which is this purple one, and then we have this one right here. This is how you will change the background of any video. So once you have a background ready, you can even actually add more than one background for different scenes if you like. So I'm gonna click on show, and if I click on this plus button, that will allow me to add any footage from the stock library, upload a footage, my project, color, or transparent. So this is how we add another scene into our video. So you can see now we have this text right here. So I'm just gonna click on the edit text option, and it will allow me, so we don't have a sale in my ads. I'm gonna delete this text, and instead of that I will be adding my company name, my brand name right here. So for that, we're going to move on to the text right here. Text will allow me to add any kind of text, and we have different templates available as well. So I'm going to go with this one right here. The text looks really, professional and elegant. So once the text is added onto the video right here, I'm going to add this text and add our brand name. Of course, we can adjust the text accordingly. So now this is what I am going for, and we can of course place it like right here in the center. Once you have added the text, you can click on it. Then we have our add text option, we have animate option as well. Then we have text style here. So you can see we have text group, we have text style, added colors, then we have border, background style. With our video overlay text, and then in the background we have an image. We need to change this. I want to add our images right here. I'm gonna actually go to the timeline here. Now we need to work on the timeline. So here we have our text. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the text to few seconds, and then it will disappear. So you can move with the timeline here. This is the first thing that we're going for. And then we have our text right here on the second layer. So after the text, we have the images, just the images right here. Now I'm gonna hide the timeline. Resize images, we can resize, of course, we have template and stock and uploads. So I'm gonna go to the stock footage right here, and then we have uploads. I'm gonna search for skincare. We have a lot of footage available here. We can select our visual type. We have videos and images, price. Footage is available for free as well, and then we have sort by relevant and recent. I'm gonna go with this one right here. So I'm gonna click on add, and it will be added to the video that I am editing, and we can of course upload as well. We're gonna click right here, click on replace, and then I'm gonna go to the media and stock library, and we're gonna select this one right here. Click on replace, and it will be added in the exact position. So we're gonna now resize it. We're gonna click on edit and place the ladies in the middle. So this is what we have right now. Text right here in the overlay. I'm gonna delete this text and add another text. So we're gonna click right here, click on add text, and I am going with this one. Of course, we're gonna change the text color. We go ahead and change it to black here, and we're gonna place it here. And then what we're gonna do is we have shop now here as well. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. So we have this footage right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually move it to just this right here. We need to add a new footage right here. Now in the shop, it will move here. So this is how you can add images and footage right here into your timeline, and we can even trim here. We also have tracks, and click on add audio, and you will be able to upload audio. We have text to speech, record video, and more. We have layout. So if you click on the layout, it will allow you to select the layout of the video and apply it to the whole video that you have. We have basic, devices, collage, shapes, artistic, and more. So you can select different layouts from here. We have overlays and stickers. So this is really important when it comes to creating a presentation video, or when it comes to creating, listing video or something like that, animated video. We can work with the emojis and stickers, and even just right here. So you can even create memes with Wave Video. With a watermark, if you want to add any kind of watermark to your videos, you can do that by clicking on the watermark, and you will be able to then add the media. We have audio, a library available for different types of music, and we can add any kind of music right here. So if you want to go with the captions of a video where you require subtitles or captions, you can click on the captions right here, click on add captions, and it will actually allow you to auto transcribe video, or you can even upload a caption file or translate your video. Storyboard. Now this is really interesting. A video from a script, then you can go to the storyboard right here, and it will show you all the text that you added to your video, and it will show you in the form of a script right here, in the form of a story. Then we have text right here to add a new text to a scene. We have settings and a storyboard. Enhancer. What is an enhancer? This is, styles and sources. If you want to enhance your video, and if you check out the progress bar as well, you will be able to do so from here. And then we have countdowns. In the resize, we have different types of resizing available. So if I wanted to resize my video to a horizontal, so I can quickly do that, and you can see now it will change my whole canvas for me. We went with the simple one, this one, but we have story, we have square. Let's say you wanted to create a TikTok story, or if you wanted to create an Instagram story, you can create 9:16 videos right here. Once your video is done, what we can do is we can click on publish, and we can download our video in MP4. We can embed, then we have GIFs, we have create from segments, a white label link, current frame as image, and others. So if I show you the result of the video that we just created, the link will be given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.